The Mercedes-Benz W245, produced from 2005 to 2011, is the B-Class compact MPV that comes standard with a rear windshield wiper system. This rear wiper is essential for maintaining visibility during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow, especially on hatchback models with a rear window. This video series will guide you on how to effectively use and maintain the rear wiper, ensuring safe driving. We'll cover operation, maintenance, and potential upgrades. The rear wiper is controlled via the left-hand stalk on the steering column. Pull the stalk towards you to activate intermittent wiping. Push the stalk upwards while the front wipers are on for continuous wiping. The system typically deactivates above 5 to 10 km per hour to prevent damage. The rear wiper mechanism is powered by a 12-volt DC electric motor that draws power from the vehicle's fuse box, specifically through fuse number 37. The motor drives a linkage arm that sweeps the wiper blade across the rear window in a controlled motion. Washer fluid is integrated into the system, spraying onto the rear window for cleaning before or during wiping. Proper maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your W245 rear wiper system. Follow these essential tips to keep it working effectively. Replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or after 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Use OEM-compatible parts like Bosch or Vallejo to ensure proper fit and performance. Always park your vehicle on level surfaces to prevent unnecessary strain on the wiper motor. This simple habit can extend the system's lifespan. Never force the wiper arm when it's stuck, as this can damage the linkage mechanism. Common issues include torn or worn rubber, as shown here. Misuse of the wiper system can lead to costly repairs, potentially up to €300 for linkage replacement. Regular maintenance prevents these expensive issues. Common issues with the rear wiper include worn-out motors or blades, often caused by aging rubber components that degrade over time. A frequent problem is a blown fuse. Always check fuse number 37 in the fuse box first, as this powers the wiper motor. For better performance in harsh weather, consider aftermarket upgrades like heated wipers or smart sensors to improve visibility. While the original W245 rear wiper lacks modern features like rain sensors, aftermarket retrofitting options can bring your vehicle up to contemporary standards. Companies like Continental offer smart wiper kits priced between $200 and $500, including rain sensors and programmable delays. These upgrades can be installed using wiring diagrams and compatible parts. A notable example comes from a Berlin mechanic who retrofitted a 2008 W245 with a modern intermittent wiper module from a newer Mercedes A-Class. This upgrade added variable speed control and reduced power consumption by 15%, at a total cost of €350. These retrofits offer significant benefits, including better visibility, energy savings, and a more sustainable approach to maintaining older vehicles. Consider this as a practical upgrade path for your W245. Experts consider the W245's rear wiper a reliable system for its era. Automotive engineers praise its simple design, though they note that aging polymers in the blades lead to faster degradation compared to modern silicone alternatives. Owner surveys indicate generally positive satisfaction with the wiper's ease of use, rating it highly for intuitive controls. However, winter icing poses challenges in cold climates. Statistics show that wiper-related repairs account for a portion of maintenance costs, with 18% of owners experiencing failures within 150,000 kilometers. Experts recommend upgrading to silicone blades for increased lifespan and better winter performance. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, W245 owners may consider EV conversions, potentially making the original wiper system obsolete. However, for collectors, the focus is on preservation with eco-friendly replacements, such as silicone blades that reduce plastic waste. Parts may become scarce in the future, so proper maintenance is essential to extend the life of your W245 rear wiper.